Hello, welcome back to Age and Flourish. We are making vegetable sauce today that you can use to eat your yam, your potato, your plantain, even rice. That's the fish I want to use. I fried this fish without oil. The oil jar is the oil that came out of the fish. So I fried it in that bad boy without oil. And I'm using one of the fishes to make this vegetable sauce. These are my condiments and the ingredients I'm going to use. You can use as much as you want to. Okay, that's the bad boy I'm using. I have to saute my onions without oil. You remember, we are eliminating oil in our food. The processed oil is not good for us. Most all these vegetables contain their own oil. So that is the onion and the bell pepper. I just saute it a little bit in the cookware called the bad boy, and I added my blended tomatoes and pepper in it and allow it to cook for some time. Then add whatever spice you want to add. If you are watching now, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me know whatever food you want me to cook in this Salad Master cookware. I will do it for you. Okay, so that's the sauce coming together. The tomato is fried, and I now added the fish, one of the fishes that I fried in that bad boy. I just added it. I remove all the bones to add more flavor, good taste to the side dish. Remember, this side dish you can use it for yam, plantain, potatoes, even as a side dish to rice. So I add all the vegetable in it. You can use any vegetable, kale, collard green, spinach, and so on. Add just a little salt to your taste and allow it to simmer. This time around, I had to reduce the heat. I was cooking at 350 degrees. Now, because I'm now adding the vegetable and I don't want to overcook, so I now bring down the temperature to 285 for 10 minutes so that the vegetable will be good by then. After 5 minutes, I had to stir. This is when I will mix the whole thing together and allow to cook for the next 5 minutes. So now the 5 minutes is gone and the vegetable is cooked. Look at that, very fresh. The vegetables are very vibrant, not overcooked. You are preserving at least 93% of the nutrients in their food while using this cookware. So the timing is off and our vegetable is ready. Yummy. Give me a thumbs up and comment. Tell me what food you want me to prepare for you and I will teach you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.